Hello and hi everybody. This is a random rant. So, I know that I've been posting tips from a 4-step cure, which as I said before is a course that I have. It is a 8-month course. Now, you may be thinking, oh, well, I know this stuff. I do that, or I've done that in the past. I've done a vision board in the past. I pray. I breathe, I meditate. Nothing new is under the sun. So I'm sure you've heard everything that I'm saying before. But the reason why I'm saying these things is because sometimes we forget about the things that got us to where we are today. You forget about that vision board. You forget about praying. Oh, everything you wanted was answered. Everything came as you wished, so you don't need to pray no more. Until the next time that something goes wrong, then you go back to the things that you used to do. Keep doing them. You know, if you were saving money, you had the little jar and, then you just stopped because, oh, well, that one particular thing is over. Don't stop. These are reminders of the things that may have worked in your life at one point in time. They'll work again. Don't forget, especially business owners. We business owners got it so bad. Oh, yeah. When we first start, we hustle, we grind, we get out in the community, we shake hands, we meet, we greet. And then when things start going good, we forget. We forget the things that got us to where we are today. I'm guilty. Many of you are guilty of the same thing. So you wonder why, your life is stagnant at this moment. What can I do? Go back to doing the things that worked for you. And that is my pushing point for today. Enjoy the rest of your day.